Chef D here, and today we will be making a melted ice cream chocolate mousse. And this is one of my favorite recipes because it's just so versatile and just so great. So be sure to stick around till the end and I'll show you what you could use it for. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, and if you like the videos on my channel, consider just subscribing. It's free and you could always unsubscribe. So let's get into it. Let's go over the ingredients. We have 6 ounces of 70% dark chocolate. We have 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. We have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened, and we have a pinch of salt. We have half a cup of heavy cream and 3 eggs. And we'll only be using the white of those eggs. Alright, so we're gonna start with a medium flame. And while this pot is heating up, I have my ice cream and cocoa powder ready to go. Now let's add the ice cream. So nice and easy, just drop it in there. Make sure to get all of it out of there. It's okay if it's melted a little bit because it's gonna melt in the pot anyway. So I will take a wooden spoon. I'll just mix it around a bit until it gets nice and melted, and then we'll add in the cocoa. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the cocoa powder. So just drop it in like that and give it a little stir. And in case you are wondering, I am using Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream, and I just think that's absolutely delicious. So if you want to follow my recommendation, be my guest. Okay, so we're gonna want to cook this until this begins bubbling on the sides, and then we'll cook it for another about 30 seconds, and then it'll be ready to take off. This is starting to bubble on the side, so that means it's ready to take off. So I'm gonna shut the fire off, and we'll pour it right on top of the chocolate. So now I'm just gonna pour this right in. And start mixing it up. Alright, now it looks like all the ingredients are well mixed. So I'm gonna prepare the next part, which is to separate the egg white from the yolk and prepare the heavy cream. Alright, so now I'm going to whisk the heavy cream. So this has become nice and stiff, just like whipped cream, and that is perfect. And now I'm gonna whisk up the eggs. Also, you're gonna want to whisk the salt into the eggs. Alright, so now we're gonna fold in the egg. Okay, so now we'll fold the egg white in. You want to make sure that your chocolate is not too hot when you mix in your egg because it will cook the egg and we just don't want that. Okay, so now I have folded in my egg whites. So I will add the whipped heavy cream in now. Okay, and I will fold that in as well. Alright, so now everything is folded together, and I'm going to split this into 4 different servings. So I have some cups here, and I'll just ladle some in there. That looks delicious. I have divided this up into 4 portions, and there's just a ton you could do with this stuff. You could put whipped cream on top, you could put some chocolate chips, you could do some berries, you could just do a ton of stuff. You could use it as a filling for the cake, or cupcake as a topping. It's just a ton of stuff. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.